Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a very interesting video on enabling dark mode in Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Previously, we have discussed enabling dark mode for Teams, OneNote and Outlook in separate videos. The same has been explained in this article on the Windows Club. Now, this is the light mode. We have two conditions here. One is to enable the dark mode across all devices connected with this particular Microsoft 365 account. For example, I use 3 devices associated with my Microsoft 365 account. Enabling the dark mode for this account would do so for all the devices. The second condition would be to enable the dark mode for all Microsoft applications across a single PC, only this PC. Let us discuss the first case. To do so, click on File, go to Account. In the Office Theme section, change the theme from colorful to black. This enables the dark theme across all systems associated with this account. Alternatively, you could go to File, select Options. In case Options does not appear, you can click on More and then Options. In the General tab, under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, change the Office theme from colorful to black and click on OK. Now let us verify whether the change has only happened with PowerPoint or has it been replicated across other applications like Word and Excel. I'll try to open a Word file. Let us see whether it changed anything. Yes, Word has also replicated the dark mode. Isn't this easy? If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.